In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Claude AI chat history. If you are looking to tidy up your workspace, protect your privacy, or just start fresh, I will walk you through how to remove a single conversation and how to delete multiple chats at once. I will keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in the web version or the app. First, open Claude AI in your browser or launch the app. Once you are in, look to the left side of the screen to find the menu that lists your recent conversations. This is where you will see the threads you've opened most recently, and it's the quickest place to manage them. To delete just one conversation, move your cursor over the specific chat under Recents. As you hover over it, you will see a three-dot menu icon appear next to the conversation's title. Click that three-dot menu. Then choose Delete. If you are asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. That conversation will be removed from your list, helping keep your sidebar uncluttered. This is great when you only need to clear a single thread you no longer need. If you want to delete multiple chats at once, or even clear them all, stay in that left menu where your chats are listed. Click into the chat section so the full list is visible. Here, you'll see checkboxes next to your conversations. Select the checkboxes for each chat you want to remove. If your goal is to wipe everything, use the Select All option to highlight every conversation in the list. When you are ready, click the trash icon to delete the selected chats. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm to finalize the removal. This bulk action saves time when you are cleaning up a long history. A few quick tips as you do this. Deleting conversations is typically permanent, so double-check that you are removing the right threads before you confirm. If you are managing multiple projects, it can help to review titles so you keep anything you still need. Also, make sure you are signed in to the correct account before you begin, especially if you use Claude AI in more than one place. That's it. Thanks for watching.